What's good, everybody? Welcome to the Coin Junior channel, and today we're going to be going through some interesting news, some major Polygon MATIC, not MATIC, some major Polygon MATIC updates and news, and why is the price of Polygon spiking so hard. But before we get into that, of course, we gotta mention the elephant in the room, alright? So yesterday, Federal Reserve raises interest rates another 75 basis points, which means 0.75%. Alright, so in order to combat inflation, in order to bring it back down to the targeted 2%, so the Fed, it's no surprise, so they raise another 0.75%. Alright, so the Fed continues to combat inflation, and that contest has taken yet another turn today. Alright, so there's no pivot, it's not 0.5%. You know, it's not a surprise. We all expected this, and so far the market has not reacted too negatively. Alright, it's just still trading sideways, with some cryptocurrencies are actually seeing green, which is surprising, but we're gonna get into that later. So let's just take a look. Just a quick look, I guess. Experts have been seeking an end to the central bank's continued crusade, but for now, we only have more of the same rate hikes. The raising rate marks the 6th increase of the year and the 4th in a row as the fight against the fastest inflation in 40 years continue. Alright, so they're really determined to bring inflation rate back down to the 2%. Alright, so that's why I feel like the Fed is not going to stop anytime soon. But, you know, you do what you got to do. Alright, so the FOMC met today, so they had a meeting and they just decided, you know, screw the economy, let's go, over tightening. Alright, and also I wanted to show this news, but then the title just speaks for itself. Alright, Fed Chair Jerome Powell states need for ongoing rate increases. So let's just say he's not gonna go dovish, he's just gonna go even more higher. Alright, so finally, let's just take a quick look at this news right here. Alright, the Polygon Avail testnet is live. Alright, the first in a series of articles titled Where We Stand Today addresses Polygon Avail's current performance as well as its ability to scale. Alright, so Polygon Avail, we have been waiting for a long time. It's finally going through the testnet. Alright, so for those who don't know, what is Polygon Avail? Alright, let's take a look right here. Polygon has deployed Avail, and it is a scaling system designed for developers to launch their blockchain apps atop the main Polygon chain and other blockchain. Alright, so it is a standalone blockchain, and it allows the chain to actually obtain data from the blockchain. Alright, okay, I don't know how to explain this, so let's just see. Alright, here it is. Meaning they would not need to continually check data from the network for an application deployed on Polygon. Alright, it allows developers to access blockchain data off-chain. Alright, so it increases the scalability, so the developers won't have to go back and forth, and it would give developers the ability to update, fork, and change how their blockchains handle execution. Alright, so it's all about the scalability, and I think it affects a little bit on the throughput. So let's just get into the much more technical part of this Polygon Avail. But obviously, I'm not a developer. I'm far from tech savvy. All right. So let's just take a look. Why is this one of the most hyped story for today? All right. So we are extremely excited to announce Avail, and for your information, this is from June. So we have been waiting for quite some time, not too long. So Avail is a general purpose scalable data availability focused blockchain targeted for standalone chains, alright, side chains, and off-chain scaling solutions. So for layer 2s, alright, because they have to get their data from like a layer 1 blockchain, so continuously they have to go back and forth, which kind of affects the scalability part of a blockchain. So with Avail, you don't have to go back and forth. All right, so you will be able to get the data off chain, from a side chain, or from a standalone chain. Okay, so it makes it easier for developers to build applications, and also it makes it scalable, which means that it's more sustainable and it won't be as congested, or you know, more applications can be built on top of it. All right, so it is exciting, and we can't wait. You know, Avail's ability to scale where we stand today. This is amazing. All right, so Polygon, and let's take a look at Polygon. All right, so Polygon, almost $1, guys. Polygon is almost $1, and I feel like this news has something to do with it. All right, the high it reached a high of 98 cents in the morning, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. My laptop is slow as shit as always, guys. All right, so it reached a top around 98 cents. Okay, wow, this is actually amazing. All right, Polygon just keeps on building. With the ZK EVM coming out, the zero knowledge proof Ethereum virtual machine coming out, and with this Avail testnet going through, and it's just good news overall for Matic. Shit, Matic, I take it back, Matic. All right, Polygon Matic, I don't care. All right, it's been going amazing, all right, for Polygon, and I feel like it's gonna hit that $1 mark again sooner or later. All right, and I feel like this news has something to do with it. All right, so Polygon just keeps on building, and it's really amazing to see. All right, so let's take a look at the overall, all right, crypto market since the Fed raised the 0.75% interest rates. Let's take a look. Okay, Bitcoin has been trading sideways. It's just dropped a little bit, around 1%. Ethereum dropped a bit as well, but it's still trading sideways around that $1,600 and $1,500 range. BNB has been skyrocketing. All right, BNB is going crazy. XRP as well. Dogecoin kind of, you know, just dimmed down a little bit. It calmed down a little bit. Cardano, Solana has been going insane, and needless to say, Polygon, all right, Polkadot, you know, Shiba Inu, you know, if the dog, you know, if Dogecoin is going up, Shiba is going up. I don't know what's going on in the market. It's just everything is just it's just so confusing to me, but it is what it is, guys. All right, so the market has been trading sideways, with some coins gaining traction, some coins just die down just a little bit. So this kind of news, all right, actually just play a little part on the market. You know, it's not that much of an huge repercussion or effect, or maybe it hasn't kicked in yet. All right, we'll have to see what happens when the market opens tonight in Malaysia. It will open in the morning in United States. All right, so let's take a look at some of the news that we have on Twitter today. We're just gonna go through real quick. Okay, CoinGecko, I don't understand what he's tweeted. Just tweeted. All right, Huobi, I don't know, one of the largest cryptocurrency platforms in Asia appeared to confirm plans to move to the Caribbean from the, I don't want to butcher the name, but this area right here. All right, that's not doesn't really affect us. All right, SATT token, not interested, guys. All right, Polkadot, Opera is out with a new NFT analytics tool named Degen Knows. Okay, interesting. Polygon MATIC releases its Avail testnet. Let's go. Amazing. Iran raises natural gas tariffs for crypto mining farms. Wow. All right. So it's like a price you have to pay for destroying the environment. Like, you know, it is what it is. All right. Mask USDD. All right. I think not much has been going on. Just the Federal Reserve news and the Polygon news. I think nothing much is going on. So I feel like I'm gonna let's take a look real quick if we have any news we can cover. Meta is now using Arweave's decentralized storage platform to archive digital collectibles on Instagram, sending AR tokens skywards. All right, so Arweave is like it's like a Google Drive, all right, but it's decentralized. All right, I don't know the technical part. I don't know the exact utility or use case that it has, but I heard a lot of stories about Arweave, and it is really interesting, guys. All right, if you guys are interested in a decentralized Google Drive, just go have a look. All right, I'm not sure, I might be wrong, so please don't take my word for it. Just do your own research, all right? Do your own research. I apologize if I actually don't understand, okay? I genuinely apologize, all right? So don't come for my head. I already apologize, all right? So let's see. Any other news? Singapore Central Bank says restrictions targeting Russia apply to crypto service providers. Wow, another Russia sanction. All right, who would have thought, right? Singapore Central Bank announced a CBDC project with the French and Swiss central banks, along with BIS innovation hubs. The new project comes a day after Mass_SG started 2 new projects with Standard Chartered. This is nice. So, oh wait, it's a CBDC project. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah, I tweeted this because MATIC was going insane. Okay, so guys, I think I'm just gonna end my video here. I'm not gonna just ramble on. Okay, so please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updated videos. All right, please follow my Twitter. It's right here _CoinJr. And let's take a look at the markets again before it just goes parabolic or it just goes straight down. All right, remember, we once had these prices. All right, so guys, thank you guys for watching. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace.